I am Jagadeshwara Rao. I am a faculty with LearnCab. Today I would like to talk on how to be focused and get prepared for your exams amidst all the uncertainties that you are seeing around you. I would like to talk on a concept of 3V and 1F. What is this 3V? 3V stands for first one is visualization. Second one is verbalization, and third one is vitalization, and the F stands for faith. I will give you some examples. Visualization. What is visualization? The concept is simple. Visualize yourself how you would like to be in the future at present. That is, try to visualize what you would like to be. For example, would you like to be in Infosys heading the financial department? So, try to put your photos. Go to Infosys, take your photo along with the Infosys logo and name and try to put it on your table. If you would like to have your own company, visualize how your office should be. Try to have the tables and your logo, your name with CMA or CA Satish. Suppose your name is Satish. Put your name with the legend. I used to do that when I was studying. I used to put CMA Jagadish like that. Try to do it and visualize yourself having your own office. This is called as visualization. The classic case of visualization was Dhirubhai Ambani. When he was small, he used to be in a petrol bunk pouring petrol. And when people used to ask him what he would like to be in the future, he would say, one day I would like to manufacture this same petrol. And today you know what is Dhirubhai and where he reached. Similarly, the McDonald's head, one Ray Kroc, his name was. He was also the head of the McDonald's, and when somebody asked him, he became the richest man in the world at one time. And somebody asked him, how did you reach this level of being the richest man in the world? And he said, I am not the richest man today. I was the richest man 20 years back when I used to stay and sleep in a park without food for 2 to 3 days, getting hungry and dreaming of my chain of hotels around the world. And you know how McDonald's is today. That is the secret of visualization. Verbalization. So, verbalization is talk what you want to be in the future, in the present. That is, what you want to be 5 years from now. You talk it, you verbalize it, you keep repeating it and keep talking and you will achieve it. As a case of verbalization is Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, when he went to fight his first international boxing championship, the opponent with whom he was fighting was 3 times stronger and his weight was 2 times higher than Muhammad Ali. And the odds against him was 9:1. 90% were against him becoming the champion. But his coach told him one secret. He went to him and said, throughout the bout, keep repeating the words, it is not over until I win. It is not over until I win. It is not over until I win. Keep repeating and you will see what will happen. And he became the champion. And Muhammad Ali created history in the field of boxing. You all know. So, when you try to repeat, your subconscious mind gets programmed repeatedly and it gives you the energy and the strength to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So try to make your own script, one script. When I used to study CMA, I had my own script. I said, I am going to be a cost accountant. I am going to do cost accounting practice once I retire from my engineering services. I am capable of studying any new subject which I take up. I am not limited to engineering degree only. I want to be a financial consultant also. So I used to have my own script like this. And I used to write telling that I know I can wake up early and I know I can study 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the night every day. And that I used to have my own script. When you create your own script like this and repeatedly keep writing, post it at various places like your reading table, in front of where you shave, in front of the mirror, in front of the fridge. Try to post it wherever possible. And whenever you pass by that, repeatedly keep reading it. And that gives you the power to accomplish. The third V is vitalization. What is vitalization? That is, ultimately, you need to take action steps. And that is vitalization. So in the action steps, what I used to do was, I used to make a timetable. Start simple, start small. Put 15 minutes per subject timetable for all the 8 subjects or 7 subjects you want to appear for. And for the first 15 days, limit it to that much of study only. After 15 days, make that 15 minutes into half an hour, then 45 minutes, then 1 hour. Subsequently, you will win the war. And that is the secret of vitalization. Faith. What is faith? For faith, I would like to tell a small story. A child was traveling in an aeroplane, and there were many travelers in the aeroplane. And the pilot, when it was flying over the ocean, he suddenly announced, telling, there is turbulence all around. So please tighten your seat belts, and anything can happen. Be prepared. And everybody was getting restless, and they were getting panicky, and they were shouting, screaming and all, because turbulence was so high. But near the window, that child which was there was calm and cool and just seeing and enjoying the surroundings, the sky, the sea and all those. So there was one person who was sitting nearby who really got shocked. How come this child is so cool when we all are so panicky? After half an hour, the pilot landed the flight on an emergency landing in an island, and then he said, you all are safe and nothing to worry. So this man was so curious. He went to the child and asked, my dear child, when so much of shouts were going on, how you were so cool? The child replied, actually, pilot is my father, and I know he will take me safe. So dear friends, you need that sort of a faith in the pilot. Similarly, when you are with LearnCab, they are the pilots for all these projects, and they will take you safe home. Have the faith and pass your exams. Good luck, all the best. Thank you.